This video contains a sample conversation about accommodation which you can use to practice speaking English with your friends. The sample conversation about accommodation can be used by both Ielts aspirants and general learners of English to practice speaking English. So, watch the entire video without any skip, note down the excellent words, look for the correct grammatical constructions, and learn how you can practice speaking English with your friends. The video contains 10 questions and their possible answers. Question number 1. Let's talk about your accommodation. Do you live in a hostel, house, or apartment? There are three possible answers. Answer A. Well, I live in a hostel consisting of 35 two-seater rooms with my classmate. I really enjoy living there because all local amenities are available within easy walking distance. University swimming pool, gymnasium, playground, shopping area, my classroom all are very close to my hostel, which means everything is easily grabbable. Answer B. Well, I live in a beautifully decorated house in my village, located in a suburban area on the bank of a small cool river which contains fresh water. I really enjoy my life there because not only all local facilities and services are available, but also fresh air, peaceful environment, affordable living, healthier food, and more space are effortlessly and unnoticedly accessible. Answer C. Well, I live in a flat in a multi-story building with my wife and children. I really like living there for two reasons. Number one, I really want to be with my wife and children. I love spending time with them. Number two, my flat is considerably spacious and amazingly decorated and extremely close to the shopping area. Question number 2. How's your hostel, house, or apartment decorated? Again, three possible answers. Answer A. My hostel is decorated in a minimalist design. The interior of my rooms is colored in white and the exterior in red. All the rooms of my hostel contain two sleeping beds and two reading tables and one medium-sized bookshelf. Answer B. My house is decorated in the traditional way. It has gorgeous wall paintings, attractive murals, and splendid bookshelves which give it an aesthetic look. It consists of four medium-sized rooms and a kitchen. The exterior and the interior of my house are colored in blue and green respectively. Answer C. My flat is decorated in modern style. The furniture is of natural materials and earthy colors. A very simple design was maintained and unnecessary detailing was avoided in the decoration of my flat. It has beautiful sofas and attractive wooden round tables. Question number 3. Do you like your bedroom? If yes, why? Of course I do. I do like my bedroom because it's the personal space where no one can invade my privacy. Apart from that, silence and peace reign in my bedroom. So, my bedroom is an ideal place for me to study. The hand-woven superb floor mat, the beautiful roof with curvy designs, and awesome wall paintings actually make my bedroom look nice and cozy. Question number 4. Would you like to change anything about your accommodation? Why or why not? Answer A. Well, perhaps I would replace my reading table because it is the space where, apart from reading, I put my books. So I think it would be a good idea to replace my current reading table with a larger one on which I can keep my books and notebooks easily. Answer B. Well, my answer would be no, because everything there is perfectly fine. Additionally, I would like to place a round table on the balcony so that I can enjoy tea sitting there at break time. Question number 5. Would you like to move to a different house in the future? If yes, why? If not, why not? Answer A. Yes, I would like to move to a different home in the future because I would like to once experience living in my ideal villa, which has a beautiful garden and an amazing swimming pool. Answer B. Well, my answer would be no, because my current home is perfectly fine. It has all the ideal facilities such as a swimming pool, garden, and gymnasium. Question number 6. Do you plan to live there for a long time? Answer A. Yes, I do plan to live there for a long time, but rather forever, because my current accommodation is an ideal place for me, which has all the facilities. I have nothing to complain about with electricity, water supply, neighbors, amenities, etc. I have no intention of leaving my current accommodation. Answer B. No, I do not actually plan to live there for a long time because I've been living there in a room which I rented 5 months ago. As soon as I manage to afford a house of my own, I will leave my current accommodation. Question number 7. Do you have a garden? Answer A. Unluckily, I don't, as there is no sufficient space for a garden in my flat. If I move to a different home, I would love to have one. I believe that a garden gives us aesthetic pleasure and connects us with nature. Answer B. Yes, I do have a beautiful garden in front of my house which has different types of plants which are pleasant to look at. Whenever I'm going through a difficult situation or I am sad, I go and sit in the garden and feel the natural world. I also at times sit in the garden reading, which gives me a wonderful experience. Question number 8. Let's talk about the amenities. Do you have all the facilities within reach? Answer A. My answer would be yes. All the local facilities and services are within reach. Because my flat is located at a countryside area, there is a gym, a playground, a park, etc. within walking distance. Answer B. Unfortunately, I do not have all the amenities within walking distance because I live in a village which is quite far away from the market. So I have to cover at least a distance of half an hour to grab all the amenities. Question number 9. Who do you live with? Answer A. I live with my classmates in a two-seater room in a hostel which consists of 20 other rooms. I really enjoy living there in the hostel with my classmates. Answer B. I live with my family members in my house. I love to live with them as we share a great bond in my house. I wish to live with them forever. Question number 10. How long have you lived there? Answer. I've been living there in my house since my childhood. I thought of moving to a different house, but living there in my house is pretty great and fun. Besides, it's really close to my office.